A Cybertruck was seen plowing through a huge puddle in Florida. However, the Toyota Tacoma truck following and filming the Cybertruck got stuck right after in the puddle. As you can see, the puddle was pretty huge and the Cybertruck crossed it without much efforts. Couple of reasons the Tacoma got stuck was, it's too slow with the approach to the puddle. Also the way Cybertruck crossed the puddle, maybe the Tacoma driver thought it was not so huge puddle and the truck will cross easily. He was also busy filming the Cybertruck and forgot to look closer on the puddle. The Cybertruck is best in competition with its off-road capabilities. It's just superior for many extreme use cases off-road. And nobody expects it after all the previous failures of getting stuck everywhere. This shows Cybertruck in hands of an experienced off-road driver can make a huge difference.